Welcome back to Dream Cars. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting luxury SUVs on the horizon, the all-new 2026 Genesis GV70. This refreshed version takes everything we loved about the current model and adds a layer of sophistication, tech wizardry, and performance flair. First thing you notice is the subtle exterior evolution. Genesis hasn't gone radical, because why fix what's already working? You get a refined layered mesh grille, slightly sharper headlights, new exhaust tips, a revised spoiler, and those sleek new wheels that steal attention. In fact, the standout wheels on the Sport Prestige model feature angled blades with a dark platinum stripe, just enough to whisper sporty without shouting it. Inside feels like a step into the future. The signature oval motif is still there, on the center dash, door handles, and armrests, but now it's more purposeful. Controls are simplified, giving that smooth touch. Above, a single 27-inch OLED screen spans the cockpit, merging a driver display and touchscreen, with faster response times and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto baked right in. The voice assistant gets an upgrade too. A quick, "Hey Genesis," wakes it to change stations, adjust cabin temperature, or even set navigation. But here's a sweet touch. On higher-end trims, the head-up display can actually project Apple Maps turn-by-turn directions, straight from CarPlay. Let's talk power. The base 2.5-liter turbo inline-4 delivers 300 horsepower, while the twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6 delivers a robust 375 horsepower. Every GV70 ships with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission. That V6 Sport Prestige nails 0 to 60 mph in about 5.0 seconds, it's quick and confident. Ride and handling. Genesis strikes a beautiful balance. The 2.5T model quietly hustles through daily drives, while the sportier V6 brings composed handling, even over twisty roads, with minimal body roll. You can expect a smooth ride that hardly jostles your morning coffee. Pricing starts near $48,000 for the base AWD model with leatherette seating, ambient lighting, and that massive screen. Step up to select or advanced trims for features like panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, Bang & Olufsen audio, biometric authentication, heated rear seats, digital key, and household outlet in the back. Sport Prestige adds sporty touches like contrast stitching, sport pedals, and 21-inch wheels for about $58,800. The V6 Sport trims land between $63,400 and $70,000 fully loaded. Fuel economy sticks to the usual luxury SUV ranges, around 20 mpg city and 28 highway on the 2.5T, a little underwhelming, but hardly unexpected for this class. Summing up, the 2026 Genesis GV70 mixes elegant design tweaks, cutting-edge tech, and refined performance into a complete package. It's not here to reinvent the wheel, it's here to perfect it. You get emotional interior design, dynamic powertrains, and advanced features that are both flashy and functional. If you're shopping in this segment, BMW X3, Audi Q5, Mercedes GLC, the GV70 stands out as a strong alternative. It offers luxury without snobbery, performance without pretentiousness, and tech that genuinely improves your experience. The cabin feels quieter, the controls smoother, the drive more composed, exactly what you want from a luxury SUV that's ready for both the daily drive and the weekend adventure. Thanks for watching Dream Cars. If you love this preview of the 2026 GV70, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Which GV70 trim would be your dream ride? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep dreaming fast.